Alright, I'm making this video to show you guys my O2 escape. It's been a little rough these past couple of days. Hopefully someone can tell me what's up with it. Pretty smooth until it gets down to a low idle. You can already start to hear it's kind of tripping out right now. I mean, you can't really tell on the camera, but the engine's moving quite a bit. It has these little fits now and again, and now it's like smooth. Give it a little throttle here. Like it's hot. It's real hot. I'll leave it like that. What I also noticed is that there's little holes quite a bit. Went to Autozone, switch it out. But I haven't had a chance to get in there and change it. It's the vacuum hose. I'm pretty sure that goes to the PCV down there. I might have moved the PCV probably out of its place the other day. I don't know if that's what it could be or not. As you can see, it's starting to go in a little fit again. Let's just do that to the end of the day, basically. And check engine lights on. As long as it's not on idle, I mean, the engine runs pretty smooth. But once you let it go on idle, you can hear it from inside. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up or not. Just got the car less than 2 weeks ago. Has 143,000 miles on it. Did oil change on it with synthetic 5W20, original Motorcraft oil, crap like that. Oil filter, Fram air filter. Other than that, I haven't done anything else. The stereo stock. The only thing I got is a sub in the back. Car's pretty much stock. Other than that, hopefully you guys can give me a little clue to what it could be. Took it to Autozone. Has a Misfire code 301. Cylinder 1 has a Misfire on it. Haven't taken it apart yet to see if it's sparkler or whatnot. I was planning on doing that once I get the title, probably this weekend. Switch out all the plugs. Hopefully that goes away. If that doesn't, probably switch out a coil pack or something. But hopefully it doesn't come to that. So anyhow, it would be greatly appreciated. And thanks again, guys.